How to report a missing or incorrect Shake Shack delivery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you got a Shake Shack order that's missing items or delivered incorrectly, well in today's video I'll show you how to report it online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can then just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here you simply have to log in with a credential, and once you're logged in you can simply navigate and click on my orders or order history. And there you simply have to find the order that was missing items or delivered correctly. And here once you do that, you just have to click on the order and then select report issue or contact support. And once you do that, on the next page, you have to fill out the form with details about what's missing or incorrect so there be specific so ShakeShack can resolve it quickly. And once you're done with it, you can simply submit your form, and after that you'll receive a confirmation message and usually a follow-up email from Shake Shack customer support with a solution like a replacement or refund. And if your order is urgent or you haven't received a response, you can contact Shake Shack customer support directly via phone or email for faster assistance. And that's it. Reporting a missing or incorrect Shake Shack delivery is simple when you follow these steps. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.